This video will allow you to become familiar with the Intermatic Abra app and show you how to customize the app for your home. When you first open the app, you will be prompted to allow the app to send you notifications. You will also need to agree to our privacy policy and user agreement before continuing. On the next screen, you can log into your account or sign up if you don't already have one. Once inside the app, you will need to enable access to your local area network and Bluetooth so that you can connect with your Abra devices. At the top of the home screen, your home is listed as My House. You can customize your house by clicking on the Home icon and then Home Management. From here, you can create an additional home or join another existing home account. To customize your home, click on the arrow next to My House. On the next screen, you can change your house name by clicking on the arrow and typing in a new name. Under Room Management, you can change the name of each room by clicking on the arrow next to it. You can also add any additional rooms or create a room group. For example, you can split the house into East Wing and West Wing. Clicking on the menu next to Room Management, you can place each room into a room group by clicking and dragging the horizontal lines next to it. You can also change the order that the rooms appear in the home screen by dragging the horizontal lines and changing the position. Finally, you can delete any room by tapping the red minus circle next to it and clicking Delete. To continue, click Done. Back on the main Room Management menu, you can modify each room group by tapping on the pencil icon next to it. From the pop-up screen, you can add new rooms to the group, or you can edit the name of the group. To delete a room group, choose Dismiss Room Group. A window will pop up asking you to confirm your choice. When you delete a room group, the rooms will not be removed, but instead will be moved back to Ungrouped Rooms. To go back to the Home Settings screen, click the back arrow. Choose your location by clicking the arrow next to it. On the next screen, you will need to allow the Abra app to use your location. This will enable you to schedule your Abra devices based on different conditions for your area and time of year. You can keep the default location based on your mobile device GPS, or you can type in a location in the top window. Back on the Home Settings screen and under the Home Member section, you can add new members to your home from the Add Member button. The pop-up screen will send an invitation to a new Abra account you create, or you can send the invitation via text or email. Under Role, you can choose their role as Common Member or an Administrator. When complete, tap the back arrow to return to the Home Management screen, and back again to return to the main home screen. The tabs at the top of the screen allow you to access your rooms and manage any devices in those rooms. You can also quickly select rooms with the horizontal lines to the right of the tabs. Below the rooms, current weather conditions will be displayed based on your location. Below this information are sections that will list any scenes, lamps, and other devices that you have added to that room. If you have made several custom scenes, you can scroll through your choices horizontally under the Scene section. You can also collapse the windows of the Scenes, Lamps, and Other Devices sections by clicking on the caret icon next to the right of that section. These sections are explained in further detail on additional tutorial videos which are linked in the description below. The tabs at the bottom of the screen allow access to additional settings and information. We are currently on the default Home Screen tab. The Smart tab allows you to create custom automations and schedules. This process is explained in further detail in another video, which is linked in the description below. The Discover tab is where you can learn more about the app and the Intermatic Abra system. The Me screen allows you to customize your user information. Tap on the arrow next to your nickname to change your profile photo, nickname, and time zone. In the Third-Party Services section, you can link to Alexa or Google Assistant for voice control and integration into Alexa or Google Home routines. To access advanced settings, tap the Bolt icon at the upper right of the screen. From here, you have several customizable options, including turning dark mode on or off. By default, the app follows your system settings. To change this, tap the arrow next to Dark Mode and disable system settings. You can now manually select Normal Mode or Dark Mode. To return to the home screen, click the back arrow and then select the Home tab at the bottom of the screen. And if you need help or get stuck at any point in the process, you can contact technical support through the information listed on the screen. If you have questions or comments, please leave them below or visit Intermatic.com. And be sure to check out our other videos on YouTube or the Intermatic webpage for more tutorials.